In this video, we will see how to fix cannot start Microsoft Outlook, unexpected error, profile repair steps. So guys, if you're facing such type of issues, so you just follow this video to troubleshoot this issue. First thing guys, start your Outlook in the safe mode. Check if profile or add-in is in the issue. Okay, so guys, for checking this, first of all you simply click here. Okay, so I here you open new tab, then guys click here and new private window. Here you search simply Outlook and try to log in incognito mode. Okay, then guys you move to the another step, which is create a new Outlook profile. So guys, if you are not using, if you are the new in the Outlook, so guys please try to log in the new account. And if you are organized based Outlook account, so you contact for the organization to help you to sign in. Okay, sometimes there's a problem from the backend side, but it not be solved from your side. Okay, then guys you try to uh, reset navigation pane window. For resetting the navigation pane window, you simply press window plus R and type outlook.exe/reset.pn. okay, simple enter and again clean and delete the file. It is same like your clear caches steps. If you are in the browser, so you try to clear the caches. For this, simply click here and guys go to the option of settings. In the settings section guys, here you see the option of history. In the history section, click here delete browsing data and simply mark it and delete the data. Okay, now guys, if you are using the Mac, so you simply open Word or the Excel, click on the help and check for the update. For this, here I'm open the Word. Okay, so wait a few minutes, the Word file is open. Here you simply click on the option of help and first check for the update. If any update is available, so kindly install it. Okay, and otherwise Word help. Okay, here you search your problem and check your issue behind your problem. Okay, then guys you also try to clear your credentials once and again login. So guys, for clearing the credentials, first open your browser. Okay, here you just close it. Open your browser and guys simply go to the option of settings. In the settings section guys, here you see autofill and go to the password manager, and guys here you search your account and clear your credentials. So guys, these are the basic steps that you can learn to fix this issue. So guys, thank you and have a nice day.